Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for February 10th to the 24th. February 10th to the 14th. You can see here we have a ridge over the Eastern Pacific. We have a below normal high extending here from the high latitudes into covering much of the U.S. And we have another ridge over the Western Atlantic and over the Caribbean. And we're going to go through time. We're going to go through the end of the period 14th. And you can see we still have below normal heights here, a ridge here above normal heights. And the model's a pretty good agreement with this. Now, we will have a front pushing through the Ohio and the lower Mississippi Valley, Tennessee Valley, and would be the focus for heavy rain as Gulf moisture interacts with the boundary. Heavy rain will be likely from eastern Texas, pretty much across all this area where there's been heavy rain occurring so far. And it'll be from eastern Texas into the lower Mississippi Valley and Tennessee valleys. Then we'll have an upper low here lifting out of Texas, and the front by midweek will produce another round of significant rainfall Wednesday and Thursday. So there'll be a brief lull in the activity. And then we go here. Here we go again with more heavy rain. This is the GFS, and this is the European. You can see a heavy rain here across this area. Now, late in the period, a system could produce a broad area of wintry precipitation across parts of the northern and central plains into the northern and mid-Atlantic in the northeast. This is a GFS. Here's a European. So still a lot of details still have to be worked out, as usual, as the way this winter's been going, especially in the east. And then we'll have an upper low tracking over the southwest, and this will bring rain and elevation snows to the southern Rockies. February 15th to the 19th. A ridge is forecast over the eastern Pacific, with a trough over eastern Canada and to the west, with another ridge over the western Atlantic above normal heights in the east. And the model's a good agreement with this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting numbers of 2 to 8 degrees. Below normal, above normal temperatures forecast east of the Mississippi River, with the numbers of 2 to 4 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the west. The probability of occurrence 35%, and then we have above normal precipitation for much of this area here, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. Taking a look at the next period, this is for the 20th to the 24th. And the ridge remains over the eastern Pacific, a trough over eastern Canada and to the west, and a ridge in the east. We have a ridge actually centered here over the Caribbean, over Cuba, and so forth. So the model's a good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures from the plains to the Pacific coast, anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees below normal are forecast, and we have above normal temperatures here. I don't know if there's an indication of a change occurring in the pattern, but above normal temperatures here with the anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. And then we have above normal precipitation forecast for all this area here, and the probability of occurrence is 40%, might be as high as 45%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for February 10th to 24th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.